a playpen, a changing table, a bassinet. How about all three of those things in one simple product? Sound too good to be true? Have I got news for you. Hey mommies and daddies, Nellie here, and I'm on the lookout for the best products for your parenting adventure. Now we all love pack and plays, but so many of them are just more pack than play. Well, that is definitely not the case when it comes to Joie and their Sesame Playard. In fact, some of that packing up can be done with just one hand. Check out my interview where we get a full demonstration on how this amazing piece of equipment actually works. Let's get ready to grow.
When you got so many questions and you don't know what to do, it's Baby Steps with Nellie.
Hey everybody, this is Nellie from Baby Steps with Nellie. I am here with Kate, and this is it Joie?
Joie, yeah.
Joie, it's spelled Joie, but it's pronounced Joie, and she is going to demonstrate, it looks like a little pack and play travel carrier thingy.
So this is our Sesame LX Playard. This is a game changer. There's no extra poles or stuff like that, or locks like you have to do with traditional Playards.
Yeah, they're terrible.
My favorite thing about this is this changer. Usually when you put these changers together on traditional Playards, it's not going with you because it's not fitting back in that bag. This fits together with everything else in that bag. So we have a changer, which is usable up to 25 pounds.
25 pounds, that's awesome. That's a good 2.5 to 3 month old.
Then we have a zip-on bassinet, which is a bit of an upgrade. Mattress right here.
So what she just took out was the mattress that goes for the bassinet, and then later when you're transitioning from the bassinet down into the floor, that is the same mattress.
So when you're ready to become a Playard, you just zip this off. Another really cool about this is I can fold this all up with one hand.
You're going to fold it up with one hand.
Ready?
That is very impressive.
No
very
extra
cool.
locks or anything. Setting it up just as easy. Not as much on carpet, but what?
Not as easy on carpet, but it definitely was not hard.
It all wraps up, including that changer, into the travel bag that comes with it.
And of course, when you buy it, it's all going to be in that travel bag originally, so you can see how everything fits in and puzzles in and Tetris in. Now, I had, one of the older, look at that, that's so awesome. I had one of the older ones that, you had to, especially for the bassinet, you had the poles and you had to figure all that stuff out.
Yep.
So this is none of that.
Have any of that. So this bassinet goes up to just 15 pounds, but that's because there's no poles or anything like that. So you're paying for the convenience of being able to do that. But 15 pounds, that's anywhere from 3 to 4 months. That's how long people usually have them sleeping next to your bed anyway.
Right.
And it's all-round mesh for breathability. I know my kids like to go up to the edge and sleep like that.
Stick their face into it. Yeah, exactly.
So
hence
this
the
is
reason
really
why
good
you
for
don't
that.
do blankets.
Yeah, no blankets, nothing. Everything you need for safe sleep right here.
Is there anything else that you want to talk to us about while we're here? I see this little this nice little swing that's going on over here.
That is our Cinnamon glider and rocker. So multi-motion, you can change the dials to go front and back, side to side, or a combination of both. The top lifts off, just pops off and becomes a rocker. So you take baby with you because you don't want to leave them unsupervised. So if you have to go to the bathroom or shower, that's going with you.
Right. That is fantastic. So this is the Sesame LX Travel Playard from Joie, and this is Kate. So thank you so much. The Sesame Playard from Joie is kind of like the Swiss Army knife of playpens. It's great for at home or on the go. But remember, the bassinet part is only for kiddos up to 15 pounds. This could be the all-in-one pack and play changing table and bassinet that you've been looking for. And if you have given their Sesame Playard a spin and have any reviews or tips and tricks, please leave those in the comments. You can find a link to it down in the show notes. I've also included the Sesame Playard on our website, Baby Steps with Nellie, under Nellie's favorite products, where I've compiled an entire list of amazing items for your parenting toolkit. So check it out. And if I come across any sales or coupon codes, I'll be sure to put those down below as well. Until next time, enjoy your parenting adventure and keep loving and growing with your kiddos.
It's Baby Steps with Nellie.